Like my cloud? Welcome to the world of dreamers. I want to introduce you to our new motivational product for dreamers, Vision Board's Dreams Come True. From the time we're a child, we all have that inner voice that guides us, that allows us to dream and imagine a perfect life. So, let's go on an adventure and listen to my inner child and visualize some of my own dreams. Because if you can see it, you can be it. When I was a little girl, I dreamed of a big, beautiful wedding and a life full of love and a kid. Maybe twins? Where would we live? A beach resort would be awesome. And I would surf every day. Nah, scratch that. Just being rich would be nice. I know it can't buy happiness, but it can't hurt to have a little extra. But how to do that? By becoming a pop star would work. And tour the world. Je t'aime Paris. And Italy. And Canada. And New Zealand. And become a health blogger. And grow my own kale. Run with the lions and tigers and all the other wonderful animals of Africa that probably want to eat me. And then become the first woman to walk on the moon. In heels. Hey, you gotta dream big, right? Visualizing your dreams will help you make things happen. And that's where Dreams Come True comes in. How? It's easy. We have 100 circles to choose from, so you can compile your own top 10 dreams into one place, your vision board. In only 5 minutes, you can create your vision board with many styles and options, including adding your own photos. All you have to do is dream, and dream big. Listen to your inner child. Dreams come true. Share your dreams with your friends. Our lives can be amazing, unique, and full of happiness.